So hi, this is from auto to activity 2, the normally open relay. So let's play. So let's analyze first the functionality of this circuit. In this activity, we must put the current, or the current will flow if the PB2, this switch PB2, if we press this, the current will flow here and put into the relay. Or if we press this PB2, the current will flow and this relay, normally open contact, will close. Will close and that the PL2 will energize. So if we release this button, this contactor will open and the PL2 will be de-energized. So as we can see, they have R1. As we can see, they have R1 and R1 relay and R1 normally open, and it's belong to same component. This component is belong to same component. So let's start wiring. From 24 volts positive, we connect this to the input of PB2. Input of PB2 as well, and next from the output of the PB2 to relay 13. And from relay 14 to so in the next level, from 9 relay contactor. So let's see, the 9 contactor is normally open. So here we can see the 19 or 91 is normally closed, and the 95 is normally open. So in this contactor is 95, so normally open. From 9 to we have to connect from 9 to PB2 input. PB2. So, and then from 5 to PL2. From 5 to PL2. PL2 input. And from PL2 output to the back to the so let's try to submit if it's correct. Yes, it's passed. Score is 6. Perfect. So let's simulate this. If we press this is the push button 2. If we press this, the PL2 and the contactor will close and the PL2 will energize. So let's try. press this PL. So as you can see, the PL2 indicates, or they show a light, or indicates that that's a PL2 is energized. This circuit is energized. So if we release this PB2, they have no lights, and the contactor, this contactor will open, and the current will cut, or the PL2 de-energize. So that's all. Thank you.